I am going to get the number plate of my bike, which has come to the Solitaire, the authorized dealer of Enfield, from where I bought my bike. So they received it just couple of days back. So today is Friday. So I am going there and excited because I have got a very good number. I was planning to buy a number because I am a number freak. I must have a good number. But by chance, I have got this a very beautiful number. So now let's catch you on the road. I am just leaving, going to Noida, which is around 45 kilometers. And after that, I have to go somewhere else. That I'll let you know on the way or after reaching there. So now come with me and let's go to Noida.
Police, police, Haryana police. Oh, it's mentioned Durga Shakti. Better to stay away from them, let them go. Come on, let's take the fuel also. The last point is also blinking. So it's necessary to take the petrol. Let's get the tank full from here only. I don't know why people come from wrong side.
Normal.
Oh.
हाल चाल है.
This is a big problem with some people. They don't understand.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है. देखता हूँ मैंने मुक्ति को डाल दिया है रेस. हाँ उससे आते वो भी देख लियो. नहीं ये रेट भी मुक्ति के लिए ही है ना ये वाला. हाँ हाँ हाँ. ओके. हेलो मैं फुल कर दे यार. छोड़ो चलो बस रहने दो. छोड़ो यार. हाँ अच्छा ठीक. चलो.
This is Delhi Gurgaon border, and now we are entering Delhi from Gurgaon. So guys, what I have just decided to check the mileage also of Interceptor, which I have not done till now. When we are already traveling around 110 kilometers today approximately, so this is the best time to check the mileage also. So let's try to check the mileage and make it a twin vlog, number plate ride as well as mileage vlog. Oh, looks it was raining here. The roads are freshly wet. God has saved me. I am a lucky one who was saved. I don't know why there's jam after rain. This is Rangpuri near airport, and see the very heavy traffic. The reason still unknown. Let's see, is there any car or bike breakdown or accident? Let's see. Oh, I thought it was just because of this car which has broke down, and no, I think there's some other reason. I think it is some major problem happened because this flyover is totally jammed. Let's see what will happen when we'll reach. Lockdown is over, jam started. It's a very long jam. It's been 10 minutes. I'm stuck here only and reach in the middle of the flyover. On my right side it's Radisson Hotel. On my left side is airport. And reason still unknown. Yes, there is a car on my right which is breakdown. This one, see. This is the reason of jam. These two cars were there. I think it was an accident. Come on, now it's clear. Let's go. See the speed I am moving on. It's a smooth road. Let's ride and enjoy it. We need to ride on a various speed because we are checking the average, which is the main motto of this vlog now. So we are going to cover city as well as highway. So let's show you what result we get. I think traffic situation are coming back to normal. Normal in sense traffic, heavy traffic, just like before lockdown. Because today you have seen we have got a heavy, we are not got, even we are getting a heavy traffic. This is a second place where it's good number of cars. See, on flyover we can see buses are there. So situation are coming back to normal. People are moving out for official and personal work. This is Raul Tularam Marg, RK Puram. As usual, heavy traffic you can see, and we are moving at the speed of 20, 30. Third gear, second gear, that's it. And this Honda guy is not allowing me to move out since last 5 minutes. We are moving on a ring road now, and on my right side is Bikaji Kama place, and traffic is smooth now till now. After RTR and not smooth, it's again heavy traffic. This place is always like this. No relaxation in traffic, even during lockdown. This Bikaji Kama place flyover is always like this. Totally heavy. You can see reaching till flyover is a task. There is no reason of traffic till now, but sometime what happens, a slow moving vehicle creates trouble for other traffic. Like this Vikram is going. Oh my God, I think we are going to get a good average. This is going to be a true average test vlog. You have seen the kind, oh, people are standing here. I think accident or something. A bike was parked and 4 or 5 people were standing there. Now it's clear. Let's go again. Oh my God. This is so good. There is All India Institute Medical Science on my right side, and wow, unexpected, this road is totally clear. In my lifetime I have seen this patch is clear and I am moving smoothly from here. Otherwise this patch is a mess, really mess. Just for this I always try to take another route. We have catch Barapula flyover now. Hopefully now we won't get any traffic tussle, hustle and issue on this route because it's a totally smooth. Now we can enjoy the ride easily. See, we are moving at a speed of 50 on 6th gear, and see, I'll just give little throttle and how it goes so smoothly. See, there is no need to change the gear and it's really smooth. The handling of this interceptor is, I tell you, really good. We have just crossed the Sarai Kale Khan terminal, bus terminal, and reaching Delhi Meerut highway, which is there, you can see. This route is really smooth and good, and the actual riding fun is going to happen now. We are crossing the Yamuna river now, and see, that side you can see is a Commonwealth Society which was built during Commonwealth game took place in Delhi. That whole society built up during that time. And just behind that there is a Akshardham Mandir. One is in Gandhinagar in Gujarat, and the other one is this in Delhi. I have not seen but heard it's really good. Nice place to spend a day, but it's little tough for me. I'll show you. See that. That one is to full Akshardham from this end till that end. Mobile phone is not allowed inside, so I have not visited there till now. My grandma stays that side there, and I am not meeting her today because of COVID. I don't want to create any trouble for her, and because she is super senior citizen, so it's better to stay away from her during COVID period. I'll come later. Come on, let's push it little hard now. Let's try to touch 130 on interceptor, because we move on highway at the speed of 100, 110, 90. See, now it's a good speed. We should take the variation in the performance to get a better mileage or the actual mileage result. Now we are about to reach, we need to cross this underpass, and we are just there in the showroom from where I bought this bike. So it's been 1 hour I am driving. Yeah, this underpass. Oh, this is newly built. Otherwise we were supposed to take a U-turn from 2 kilometers and then come back to this place. So this is a good development happened on this highway. And here we are in Noida now. Noida sector 63. We have reached and covered 45 exact kilometers. We have reached Solitaire, and let's get the work done of number plate. Let's meet Rajat, get the work done, and then we'll proceed to Ritu Raj's house for dinner. Just see the beauty. Fully loaded with Pioneer and top box. Full touring. Nice concept. This is looking beautiful. Just see from other side also. Wow, the Pioneers are looking good on this one. They have a backrest also. The work is completed. See the number what I got is 2211 2211. See, my darling is standing here. Beautiful.
He is Mr. Rajat, the backbone of Solitaire showroom. If you come to Solitaire, Sector 63 Gurgaon, do meet Rajat. He is a very helpful and very nice person. He has helped me a lot.
Thank you.
है ना? चलो, नंबर प्लेट लग गई है. अब हम चलते हैं ऋतुराज के घर.
So the work is done. It took me around 45 minutes there to get the number plate fixed. And I've also taken another visor, which is little bigger in size than the one I have installed there. The same tinted one. So we'll fix it later, and let's go further. There's a little change in the plan just now it struck in my mind when I am already crossing this place. So let's meet another person, where one of the important person, so whom I have not met since last 1.5 years. So we have a little time and let meet him, and then we'll proceed further to the destination.
When I have already come to Noida, so I thought of meeting one of my office mate, my colleague, Jatin Sehgal, who takes care of my account. So I need to discuss some official work also and to meet him, because it's been around 1.5 years I have not seen him. So I'm waiting for him outside his office, and he is coming in like 5 minutes. So we'll catch you after meeting him.
Meeting is done. Guys, I need to change these gloves. These are in very bad shape now. So the meeting is done, and now we are further proceeding to the final destination. And I relaxed there. I am totally exhausted. No water, no tea, no coffee, and I am really getting mad without coffee. I need it on urgent basis now.
अच्छा एक मिनट जाऊँ CS7
एक नंबर
हैं
एक नंबर
एक नंबर जाना पड़ेगा अच्छा ठीक है मैं घूम जाता हूँ मतलब
I think I am lost in his society. I am lost. Actually, I know the way from the earlier gate I was entering, but they have not allowed me. And from this gate I have entered first time, and I don't know where to go. There is no guard even whom I can ask. Let's see where to go. Let's see where to go. I think again I am on wrong lane. Oh yes, I am on a wrong lane. 100% I am on a wrong lane, because I think there is a dead end. Yes. I need to turn back to other side.
finally reached at Rituraj's house or see the building.
There is no guard sitting. Wow, anybody can enter. Now we have to go. We live there. Funny guard, he wished me and didn't even ask who am I.
And finally I have reached at Rituraj's house. We are going to have a tea and a little gala time, dinner, and then I'll go back. Let's see what he is doing. And here's Mr. Rituraj. Sir, open the door.
कैमरा बंद करो
अच्छा खोल लो ना.
घर नहीं दिखाना
अरे खोल लो.
घर नहीं दिखाना
और ये बैठा हमारा धीरू, मिस्टर धीरू भाई.
कैसे हो भाई लोगों बढ़िया नंबर प्लेट लग गई
Yes. It's 9:30 and I am leaving now from Rituraj house. It will take me to reach around 1.5 hours to Gurgaon from Noida. So we'll catch you tomorrow. We'll close this vlog tomorrow after showing you the average of Interceptor. Day 2 and let's go to fill the petrol and see the performance of bike, what average we have got. So let's fill it and then I'll tell you the calculation.
See how much we have covered is 117.5 kilometers. Yesterday we have covered the total distance. Hey guys, have you noticed something in my bike today? Just guess. Any changes? 1, 2, 3. See, there is no visor. Where it's gone? I have removed it in the morning, and we are going to install the other one which I got yesterday, the bigger one. That I'll show you later.
ओह उधर देख के
हाँ मैं देख
उधर उधर मारेगा
बस काट है
Now I'm going to the market for some work, and then catch you at home with the calculation what mileage we have got. So see you at home in 5 minutes. So friends, this is day 2, Saturday. Yesterday we had a good time at Rituraj house. He cooked a really tasty chicken, and we had ice cream, chicken, coffee, tea, and it was a good fun spending time there. And we have covered 117.5 kilometer yesterday, and the petrol pump is just 2 kilometer away from my house. So 2 kilometer that I have covered today. The total distance I have covered is 119.5. So which you have seen, and the petrol which we got is 4.16 liter, that is cut to cut, where nozzle stops automatically. That we have considered. So 119.5 kilometers, if we divide it by 4.16 liters, so that comes to somewhere around 28.7 kilometer per liter average. So I don't think so it's a bad average, it's a really good average for 650cc engine. And that too in that road condition what you have seen yesterday, the traffic jam, where we were riding at the speed of 50 kilometer, 40 kilometers, and we have done 120, 30 also. So it was a mixed city as well as highway condition. So it's a really good average what we have got. So it's always the mileage also depends how one rider rides. It's not like the bike or the car is giving low average or a high average. It always depends the way you ride. So always ride your vehicle, your bike carefully, decently, and get a very good performance. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and please let me know in comment what kind of average you have liked, what average you are getting for your vehicle, so we can compare with that also. So till next vlog, do take care of yourself. See you soon. Assalamu alaikum, Shabba Khair, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, bye, and do take care of yourself. Catch you soon.